Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the secrets to this new update. So obviously there is the accessory adjustment, but what you didn't know is they actually are going to come out with another new update this month. Super exciting stuff on the 26th of May, I think. And if you look at the Dress to Impress Roblox server, or even here you'll see there is, oh, actually May 17th. I don't know why I thought it was May 26th. There's going to be a world culture day. I don't know why I struggle to say world sometimes, but you can be notified. It will be on the 17th. I think it'll be in the 16th for some of you, but it will be on the 17th for me personally. It's going to show you also the time and date there. And yeah, just a bunch of outfits from different parts of the world. I am so excited. I hope they include my country. If not, then it's fine, I guess. I just have to be more creative with what they have. I'm not a complainer. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.